In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link the cart page in WooCommerce. Whether you're new to WooCommerce or just looking to refine your online store's navigation, this straightforward guide will equip you with the know-how to streamline your customers' shopping experience. We'll focus on a simple setting that ensures your users are seamlessly directed to their shopping cart right after they add a product, creating a smooth transition that keeps the checkout process quick and efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to your WooCommerce settings. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the WooCommerce option on the left-hand menu and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll select Settings. This area is where you configure all of the basic options for your store, including checkout settings, payment gateways, and more. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on the Products tab. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a variety of tabs across the top of the page. These tabs help organize different sections and settings within WooCommerce. Click on the Products tab to access the necessary options. Within this tab, you will find settings that allow you to customize the way products are displayed, along with other important features. Now, scroll down until you see the section that relates to Add to Cart behavior. This is where we'll make the crucial adjustment to ensure users are directed to the cart page after adding a product. You should see a checkbox option labeled Redirect to the Cart page after successful addition. By checking this option, you're telling WooCommerce that whenever a shopper adds an item to their cart, they should be automatically redirected to the cart page. This setting simplifies the shopping process for your customers, reducing the number of clicks and ensuring they can easily review what's in their cart and proceed to checkout when they're ready. Once you've checked the box, make sure to save your changes by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking on the Save Changes button. This step is crucial. Without saving, your settings won't be applied, and your customers will not be automatically redirected to the cart page after adding an item. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to enhance user experience on your WooCommerce store. Enabling this setting can really make a difference by providing your customers with a more intuitive and efficient shopping process, potentially increasing your conversion rates. Remember, a smoother checkout process often leads to happier customers and ultimately a more successful online store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.